things that the reason we wanted to highlight it on this show is some of the very last lines of the last episode of the second season has to do with mental health and how oftentimes people who have had mental health struggles have been ridiculed, have been really made to feel like they're less than because they have had that challenge. I think we recently saw it in the Olympics when one of the leading gymnasts decided not to perform for her well-being. And so here we have in the show, he is betrayed by someone who he has mentored, who tells a newscaster that he had a panic attack during one of the key games. And so, of course, it's all over the press, and he's now having to live with the fallout for that. But, Mike, I think I'm going to ask you a question that I kind of know the answer to, but we're having a staff meeting these last 2 days, and one of our staff mentioned something about panic attacks. Can you say a little bit about that and why it's important to our listeners that maybe saw Ted Lasso have at least two panic attacks? And how do we get through those when we use the skills of the community resiliency model? So we had a morning session where we all talked about at our staff meeting about what were our favorite moments of the community.